Bench testing in 1959, 1960, 61, 62. Delco Rochester 2-speed wiper motor. End cap assembly number 5044351. Serial number WM11042025. Offered by TT Parts Rebuilding. Run-up test. Test number 1, low speed run, then to park position. Test number 2, high speed run, then to park position. Test number 3, low speed run, wash, then to park position. Test number 4, high speed run, wash, and then to park position. Test number 1, low speed run. And to park position. Test number 2, high speed run, and then to park position. Low speed, high speed, back to low speed, and park. Test number 3, low speed run, wash, and then to park. Low speed, wash, can wash, and park. Test number 4, high speed run, wash, and then to park. Low speed, high speed, wash, wash, back to low, and off.